Welcome. So from today onwards we are going to study ISC chemistry. Now here we are going to see the paper pattern first, and then we'll be doing the chapter one by one. Now this will be consisting of theory, practical and the detailed syllabus, and the detailed syllabus has been given in the cisc.org, and the specimen papers are also given here. The link has been attached in the description box below. Now this is the paper wise marks distribution. It will be consisting of 100 marks paper, which is divided into two parts, 70 marks and 30 marks. The 70 marks will be consisting of 3 hours written paper with 15 minutes reading time, whereas 30 marks will be consisting again divided into 3 parts, that is practical examination, project file and the practical file. The practical examination will be of 15 marks. The project and the practical file will be consisting of 15 marks. The practical examination will be of 3 hours with 15 minutes reading time. Now the theory paper pattern, the theory paper will be consisting of 2 parts. The 70 marks will be divided into 2 parts, that is 20 marks and 50 marks. The 20 marks paper will be consisting of some compulsory 1 or 2 marks questions, that is fill in the blanks, MCQs, matching and answering briefly, whereas part 2 will be consisting of section A, section B and section C, which will be having some internal choices but no overall choice as such, and these will be having 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks questions. The number of questions has been given over here, like 7 questions will be of 2 marks, 7 questions of 3 marks and 3 questions of 5 marks. Now this is the unit wise marks distribution. All this units will be there. The whole of the syllabus is divided into 3 parts, that is physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry. The physical chemistry consists of 32 marks, quite important, and the organic chemistry, which is having only 3 chapters which consists of 23 marks, that also becomes important. The inorganic chemistry will be having 15 marks, and these are the chapters that is there. Next is the internal choice. Now the internal choices till class 10, the choice that you used to have was that there was to be a group of questions from which you used to choose. For example, if these are the 3 groups of questions, so 1, 2, 3, you used to choose any 2 out of this. But now here it is not so. Here we are going to not choose between the questions like that. Rather they will be specifying single questions on which there can be a choice. For example, if this is a 2 marks question, in this 2 marks question, these 2 questions have been specified. Either of these you can do. Next is a practical examination. The practical examination will be consisting of 15 marks paper. This is the whole of practical examination papers that will be there, and the lab manual will be based on whatever practicals are being conducted throughout the year. Now that practical manual will be consisting of 5 marks. There will be a project file. The project file will be consisting of 10 marks. It will be having it will be divided into all these parts: the content, introduction, summary, conclusion. All this will be having a specific marks allotted to it. The maximum marks will be there in the presentation. Now presentations is better to be done handwritten, also with lots of diagrams, rather than going for printed diagrams. So that fetches quite a lot of marks because it creates a good impression on the examiner. That's all. Thank you.